Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this emoji smiley face nail art. So easy to make. Every time I make them, I get so many compliments. So here is how I make them. Very easy. So first I'm going to clean the nail polish. And this is where you're going to need the top of the Sharpie pen. That's how we're going to make the circles. And some extra tools I'm going to link down below. Today I'm using all the nail polish from the Dollar Tree store. They're actually really good, and that's the top base coat. I like to start with the top base coat first because it protects the nail from the nail polish. Okay, so after that is nice and dry, we can go ahead and start with the yellow circles to make the emoji. You're gonna need a surface, so I use some metal little box that I have. You put a little bit of nail polish there, and then as you can see, you can just make the circles. It's very easy. You don't have to worry about being too light in color because you're gonna come back and redo the circles once again. But with the top of the Sharpie pen, it makes it so much easier to make the circles, and you can place the circles anywhere in your nails and you just get creative. Today I like to leave one of the nails without the circles, without the emoji, and just put some colorful nail polish just to differentiate. And you can go ahead and do all of the circles where you want them to be. And then after it's dry, you come back with the nail polish and you go over the yellow circles one more time for a second coat. And then it's going to be up to you whether or not you want a third coat, but I think two should be good enough. As you can see, I finished all of them except one of the fingers, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you what happens. I messed up one of them, so I fixed it. I'm going to show you how I do. And now you do the same thing. You put the black nail polish on the metal, and then you just take your time. You make sure the pencil it doesn't get wide, if you understand what I'm trying to explain. And then you can make the thin smiley faces. You just go for it after the yellow, of course, is dry. And go ahead and just do different directions. You don't have to do all of them in the same direction. I like to change where the smiley face is looking, if you know what I mean. And that's it. It looks so cute. I love it. Now, I wanted to redo one of them, and you get, instead of removing all of the nail, all of the emojis, you can just get a cotton swab and go over just on that circle that you probably you wanted to redo. So I'm gonna show you that I'm redoing it, and then also while that is drying, I'll just go over with the top coat on the nails to make it that even better. And here, as you can see, after it's a little dry, I go over the second time, just like we did before. I like the yellow to be really popping. Now, what I'm doing, I'm just putting some sort of oil around my cuticles because it's quite dry. Even though they're done and nicely done, they are still really dry. They don't look really well. So I like to put that. And as you can see, just around the cuticles, not on the nail polish, and I'm massaging just to help with the dryness. And that's it. It looks so cute. I absolutely love it. And the rings I'm wearing today, it is from my website that soon we are launching. So the link will be down below for you to subscribe to our newsletter so you get notified as soon as we launch. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.